Hello everyone, myself Snehal Kadhane. Welcome to the session on sand casting. In today's session, mainly we are going to see what is casting and then sand casting, which is one of the type of the casting. What is casting? Casting is nothing but a manufacturing process. There are various manufacturing processes such as casting, welding, rolling, sheet forming. Out of that, one of the manufacturing process is casting. What is done in case of casting? In case of casting, an object is made by pouring hot molten metal into a mold cavity. Now, which material we can use in casting? All types of metal can be casted. Different types of casting: sand casting, investment casting, die casting, centrifugal casting, continuous casting. In today's session, we are mainly going to see sand casting. Now, what is sand casting? See, first of all, whenever we say is casting, casting is a manufacturing process in which final desired products are manufactured by, first of all, making a solid metal hot liquid. Means we convert a metal which is in a solid form, we convert it into liquid by heating it. Once that liquid molten metal is formed, after that we pour that molten metal into cavity. Casting has different types as like sand casting, investment casting, continuous casting, die casting. So irrespective of type of a casting, though it is sand casting or though it is investment casting or die casting, in each type of a casting, working principle remains same, that molten metal has to be poured into the mold cavity. So casting means molten metal is will be always present and some mold cavity will be always present. Now only depending upon whether it is sand casting or investment casting, later on differences will be there, but casting is a manufacturing process, and in case of casting, desired products are manufactured by using hot molten metal which are poured into cavity. Now, about sand casting. So, as sand casting is also a type of a casting, in this manufacturing process, also we use a molten metal. That metal may be aluminium or it may be a cast iron, it may be any metal. But that metal first will be in a solid form. Further, that metal will be heated and converted into liquid form, and after that that molten form metal will be poured into cavity, and when it's a sand casting, that cavity is prepared from the sand. So in a manufacturing process of a casting, if our mold is prepared by using sand, then it is known as a sand casting. And sand casting is used to produce a range of sizes from a fraction of ounce to hundreds of tons. About sand casting, it is one of the oldest manufacturing process in making most of the product. Steps: there are 6 main steps of a sand casting which we will see one by one. First step is making mold cavity. As just now we discussed, whenever it comes to casting, very first step in any type of casting process is that we have to form a cavity where we can pour that hot molten metal. In this on 3 diagram you can observe these slots, or we can say this vacant space. So in this slot, which are termed as a cavity or mold, these cavities are formed. Now when these cavities are formed, you can observe they are formed into the sand. Two halls will be there, upper and lower, and in both the halls sand will be packed, and when the sand will be packed into this upper and lower mold boxes. After that we put pattern inside that sand. So when we will put pattern into lower mold box, there are two mold box. As you can observe in a right hand side diagram, one will be lower molding box, another will be upper molding box. Sand will be packed in both the boxes, and when we want to form a cavity, a desired object which we want to manufacture, that object's pattern are first of all produced. So those patterns will be kept into lower molding box, then upper molding box will be fitted upon it, and as we will press upper molding box again the lower molding box, because of the pressure, that pattern will get pressed inside the sand and it will create its impression. Then upper molding flask is again removed and pattern is also taken outside. As pattern is taken outside, its impression will be created into lower molding box as well as in upper molding box. That is observed in this diagram. So first step is making mold cavity. Cavity is prepared inside the sand and patterns are used to prepare that cavity. In second step, material is first liquefied by properly heating it into a suitable furnace. So in second step, solid metal will be converted into liquid. Third step, that liquid molten metal is poured into prepared mold cavity. In first step, we have seen how to prepare a mold cavity. After that, metal was melted, and in third step, that hot molten metal will be poured into the mold cavity as shown in all the diagram. Fourth step, we allow to solidify. See, when we will pour metal into cavity, that metal will flow into the branches of the cavity. Each and every branch of that mold cavity will get filled with molten metal. After that, we wait for a sufficient time so that poured metal will get solidified and again it will be back into its solid form. Once complete solidification is over, in the fifth step, product is taken out of the mold cavity, it is trimmed and then made into the shape. In the sixth step, inspection is done, fault detection is done, and if any necessary operations are required such as finishing or grinding, they are made to form a final finished product. This was about the casting. That casting is one of the manufacturing process. Today we have seen sand casting, and sand casting means mold cavity is prepared by using sand. And as it's a casting process, products are manufactured by first melting the metal and pouring that molten metal into cavity, and after solidification we get final product. Thank you.